Switch from Metro to Mint Mobile. Hello viewers, today you are going to learn how to switch from Metro to Mint Mobile. So let's get started. Check phone compatibility first. Since both Metro and Mint Mobile use T-Mobile network, most phones work on Mint. Metro devices may need to be active for 180 days before they can be transferred. Then order a Mint Mobile SIM or eSIM purchased from Mint's website or retailers like Amazon, Best Buy or Target. Then gather your Metro account details. For example, Metro account number, you can pound it in your Metro online account, and Metro transfer PIN you can request by dialing 611 or visiting a Metro store, your phone number and billing details. Then activate Mint Mobile and start the transfer. Insert your Mint SIM or set up the eSIM, then enter the 11-digit activation code and start the number port in process. Then wait for the transfer to finish. Your number will move from Metro to Mint once the porting process is completed, and that's how you will be able to switch from Metro to Mint Mobile.